Hey guys, Jade Alpine Companies on another epoxy injection project. Got our zerks installed. We're starting to inject. Just showing you how nice and slow you want this to go. See those guys moving right there, nice and slow. What you don't want to do is you go just a little too fast, you're going to blow the epoxy out the back of the wall. And you can also blow that zerk, pop it right off the wall. Then you're going to lose everything you've gained and all your epoxy you got injected. It's a slow process. You might inject this port here for a minute or 30 minutes. It just depends on how well it's filling and how much pressure you got going in. It's Jade Alpine. You can follow this project as well as 2,000 others on my website, www.alpinecompanies.com. Check us out for all your epoxy injection needs. See you guys on the next video.